Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable notification on Pinterest. So let's start. First open the Pinterest app. When the app opens you will see your profile icon on a menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on your profile icon and go to your profile. Then tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Here you will see notifications. Tap on that. And to disable notifications, you have to disable all three options. Now tap on Pinterest. Now you have to disable see activity from other people. Then go back. Tap on buy email. Then tap on turn off all. Now go back. Tap on buy push notification. And then tap on turn off all. And you have successfully disabled all of the notifications of your Pinterest. And that's how you can disable notification on Pinterest. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.